Hey folks, so today I'm excited to share with you our unboxing and assembly of the Proscenic P11 Mopping Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Full disclosure, the company did send this to me in exchange for the video, but I've not used a device like this before, so I'm really excited to try this out. Instruction manual. So straight away this looks to be the mopping head. This actually sits on the base of the vacuum head. We have the AC power cord for charging, and as you can see everything is tightly packed in here. There's lots of different boxes and what have you housing all of the various accessories. So what shall we try next? Okay, we have one of the handheld attachments here, and also in the same box we have another of the handheld attachments. This one also has the brush on the end. Okay, this one's quite weighty. I'm going to suggest that this may be the battery. Yep, looks to be the case. And it is quite a beefy battery as well. Has a little bit of weight to it. Now, the motor is 400 watts, so I am expecting that this vacuum cleaner is going to have a good bit of power to it. Okay, we have part of the tubing here. So we'll be assembling this in due course. And let's remove the actual main vacuum head itself next. And this does feel to be a decent quality. Plastic housing, you can see through to the brushes, which is helpful. That means you'll be able to see if there's anything clogging them up. And the wheels here have a little bit of rubberized texture on them as well. We have a battery charger, and I believe this can be wall mounted, so this is a nice inclusion to see this. And then finally, we'll see what's in this largest box here. It is the dirt compartment and the handle as well. Oh, I really like that. That is comfortable to hold, so the battery will slide in down here, and yeah, seems simple enough. There is a touchscreen display as well. So I'm just going to tidy up a bit and we'll get to the assembly. Right then, so assembly. First of all, if you want to use this in handheld mode, here's your attachment, or one of the two attachments you can use in handheld mode. You click that into place and you are good to go. How easy is that? We can remove it easily. Of course, you can extend it with the wand here if you wish to do so, and that just goes onto the end. But here's the great thing, there is also an inbuilt extension here, so you can really reach those tougher cobwebs. And the same is true for when connecting to the main floor head here. Just slots into place. Again, you can extend it as need be. And if you want to use this in its mopping variant, then make sure you take the mop. The pad on the bottom is just connected via Velcro. It is removable and washable. You fill this with a little bit of water straight out of the tap, and then that just slots onto there. Just make sure that this is up straight as you connect it. And there's the two-in-one functionality. It will both mop and vacuum a hard surface. So I'll pop this to one side for the moment and just explain the compartment here for the dust and debris and dirt. Really easy if you just want to open it that way, but you can also disconnect the whole compartment with these two buttons on the side. That will take that straight off, no fuss whatsoever. Of course, you can still empty it then. That will also give you access to the filter right up here. And as I mentioned, it does come with a spare filter, which is a nice inclusion. And connecting the battery, also very easy. It just slides in there, locks into place. And at the lowest setting, you can expect up to 50 minutes of suction with a full battery charge, which is very impressive. So it does come with a little bit of charge out the box, at least mine has. If you want to increase the power, you can do that on the touch screen. Yeah, that has quite a bit of suction to it, so I'm looking forward to testing this out. But folks, there we have it, the Proscenic P11 Mopping Vacuum Cleaner. I'm going to be doing a full review next, so please stick around for that. But thank you for checking out this unboxing and setup guide. I'll see you in the next video.